Okay, product review for the Abolee tower fan. I just got it off of my porch about 10 minutes ago. I've got it plugged in there. I can feel it vibrating, like it wants to work, like the power's on. No air. Nothing. Rotates. And I'll put it on high rotate. No air.
So this comes with its own remote. Pretty easy to turn it on. You can control the fan entirely with the remote. You can see the temperature gauge on the top of it. You can set a timer, which would be hours if you want it to turn off at a certain time. It's pretty quiet. That's the lower setting. That's the lowest. All in all, this is actually a pretty solid fan. My husband loves it. I need to dust it, I just noticed, but yeah, this is actually a really good deal.
Y dejó pendiente 5.900